Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how to switch on ghost mode on Instagram or vanish mode. Let's dive right in. So here I have a quick AI overview of how to do this. Quite simply, go ahead and access the chat that you wish to go ghost mode on. Open that chat and to activate ghost mode or vanish mode, simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen just above where you type your messages. And now go ahead and type in whatever you want. You will be typing in ghost mode. And to deactivate it, simply do the same process again and swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Now I'll go ahead and show you an example of how to do that. Quite simply, go to any desired chat that you would like. For example, go right here. And then to activate ghost mode, simply swipe up, and that's it. You have now activated ghost mode, and whatever you type in will be in vanish mode. And to deactivate it, again, simply just swipe up from the bottom. It's as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.